Hi friends, this video shows how to replace CO2 cylinder. So first we need to remove the back cover of the soda maker, then remove the CO2 cylinder. So let me rotate the soda maker. So here in the back side you can see two buttons, one in the left side, another one in the right side. We need to press these two buttons together, then pull. That way we can remove the back cover. Just press these two buttons together, then pull. Okay, done. I have removed the back cover. Then we can remove the cylinder. For that we need to just rotate the cylinder to left side. Just rotate the cylinder to left side. That way we can remove the cylinder. So this way we can remove the CO2 cylinder. So next I am going to show you how we can insert this cylinder or how to connect a new cylinder. Take the new cylinder, then insert into this hole in the bottom, then connect this cylinder to the soda maker. Just connect like this. Okay, then we just need to rotate or turn the cylinder to right side. Okay, done. So now after that we can close the cover. Okay, done. So this way we can replace the CO2 cylinder. Please try this.